In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your incoming emails in Gmail automatically with labels. Having an organized inbox can significantly enhance your productivity and reduce the stress of sifting through countless emails. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to get you started on an efficient path to managing your emails. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're in your Gmail account, focus your attention on the search bar at the top. This search bar is a powerful tool that many overlook. To start organizing your emails, click on the small arrow on the right side of the search bar. This will open a drop-down menu with various options that allow you to refine your search. You can specify details such as the sender's email address, subject, or even certain words that might be contained within the emails you are trying to filter. Next, it's time to think about what kind of incoming emails you want to sort into specific labels. For instance, you might want to organize emails from a particular sender or those containing a specific subject line. Once you've entered your search criteria, click on the Create Filter button at the bottom right of the drop-down menu. Now, you'll be provided with an array of actions to choose from. These are the steps that Gmail will automatically take whenever it finds emails fitting your specified criteria. For this exercise, we want emails sorted into labeled categories, so check the box next to Apply the Label. If you haven't created a label yet, which is often the case, don't worry. The next step will cover how to create one. Click on the Choose Label drop-down menu and scroll to the option that says New Label. A small window will appear prompting you to name your new label. Think of a clear, descriptive name that makes sense for the kind of emails that will be filtered into this category. Once you've named it to your liking, hit Create. Now that you have your label ready, you can simply check any other options you might want, such as marking the email as important or sending it directly to the archive. When you're satisfied with your choices, make sure to click the Create Filter button to finalize the process. Your filter is now active. What's wonderful is that from this point forward, any new emails meeting your criteria will be automatically sorted into the label you've specified. This frees up your time, allowing you to focus on what matters most, without the distraction of an overflowing inbox. Remember, you can set up as many filters as you need for different types of emails. Feel free to experiment and fine-tune your system as you go along. With these steps, managing your emails can transform from a daunting task into an automated, seamless part of your daily routine. Happy organizing!